Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful 2012 Mitsubishi Lancer GT. Very nice, sporty four-door sedan here. Top trim model, with the exception of the Evolution. Comes with the 2.4 naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine, chain-driven, and we have the upgraded front bumper fascia there that comes equipped with the GT, as well as the rear spoiler. It's a lot larger than the typical Lancer. Make these in ES models, and the Evolution and the GT. So a few models for this one, also an SE. So this one comes with alloy wheels, fog lights, clean and clear headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, a sunroof, larger spoiler. Very nice clean interior, piano black gloss finish on the fascias. Comes with the original floor mats. Smoke and pet free on the inside. Glove box compartment storage. Standard radio. Comes with CD player. Automatic AC controls, so you can put the temperature and the mode into automatic. Comes with a charging port. Pocket storage. Automatic transmission with sport shift paddle shifters. Additional storage here, dual cup holders. Then it also has an additional charging port in the center console. This vehicle comes equipped with Bluetooth, and it is for phone and for music. So all of the Bluetooth is handled through the radio. Power options include windows, locks, mirrors, and sunroof. It also has keyless smart entry. It's got all the floor mats present, the fold down armrest with the dual cup holders, tinted windows. All the tires are in great condition. Comes with a spare tire, tools, and jack. All the emblems, and then the higher spoiler. The only one that's higher than this one is the Evolution, mainly for the turbocharged nature of that vehicle. Comes with an automatic up and down window for driver's side only, standard power through the rest, power locks, power mirrors. And then sunroof switch, traction control, and then multi-function steering wheel for the stereo, cruise, and then Bluetooth. And then, as you can see, the paddle shifters, and it also has the headlight fog light switch and combination switch for interval front wipers. So with the GT model, you get the leather wrapped steering wheel, the shift knob, and e-brake, all leather wrapped, very nice. And with this, it's not a standard key, it's just keep the key fob in the car, and then you can turn to the on position. So it has a multi-color display in the center there. And then with the info button, you can scroll through. And it's just stuck on low tire pressure for now, but once that's fixed, then you can run through and check on down to empty, some of the average MPGs for the vehicle. Stereo works very well. AC's ice cold. And it's ready to go. Revs up nicely, it idles smoothly. 2 previous owners, no reported accidents. And look at this beautiful blue color. Absolutely gorgeous Mitsubishi Lancer here. These are excellent, reliable cars. Just like Honda and Toyota, Mazda, Subaru, Nissan, all good. Don't sleep on the Mitsubishi because it's a very, very good car. It's fun to drive, it's beautiful, it's excellent fuel economy, and will last you a very long time. You can find this beautiful 2012 Mitsubishi Lancer GT exclusively on our website, meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.